In the cable manufacturing industry, precision and efficiency are essential at every stage of production. One machine that plays a vital role in achieving this is the rewinding machine. A rewinding machine is designed to transfer cables or wires from one spool, reel, or drum to another while maintaining proper tension and winding quality. This process ensures that the cable is neatly arranged, properly measured, and ready for storage, transportation, or further processing. Rewinding machines are widely used for respooling finished cables, changing drum sizes, conducting quality inspections, and preparing products for final packaging. They also help manufacturers identify and remove defects, improving overall product quality and customer satisfaction. Modern cable rewinding machines are equipped with advanced features such as automatic tension control, length counting systems, traversing mechanisms, and variable speed control. These features guarantee uniform winding, reduce material waste, and increase production efficiency. Whether processing power cables, building wires, communication cables, or specialty cables, a reliable rewinding machine ensures smooth operation and consistent output. At Shine World Group, we provide advanced cable machinery solutions designed to optimize your production process and meet the highest industry standards. Follow us for more insights into cable manufacturing technology and innovative machinery solutions.